Hi, Eduardo. I'm going to show you how things look on my end. So here's what it looks like when I'm grading. And I see this little percentage up here in the rectangle, which indicates how much of a match Turnitin made between your what you handed in and everything it has access to, which is like stuff on the web and other assignments that have been handed in. So anyway, it tries to match what you've written to a lot of things. So if I click on that little rectangle, this loads. It's called the Originality Report, and everything that's highlighted is the same as, something that's been published, something out there. And it looks to me like those are from just the original article, Overview Happiness. But I'll show you how I'm going to check. So it looks to me like you just need to put things in your own words better. So to check, you click on this little paper and you click on the number again. And then you can even go further and see what this is. But whatever it matches, let's see, whatever it matches you to has been published somewhere. And I think what I'm seeing is that these lines are directly from Spielman's textbook chapter, Overview Happiness, that we read together in class. Sometimes when you look over here, it can be confusing because, like, for instance, let me go back. Like, for instance, here, the 7% matches to a student paper that was submitted somewhere. And the way that happens is that this student paper also quoted from Rose Spielman. And so that's why this report sometimes gets a little tricky. But I want to show you how you would go in and go into student view. So you go to grades, and then anytime you see a flag like this one here, then that means there's an originality report attached to that assignment. I'm going to go here. You can't click on that little flag. You have to go to the title and then click on the flag here. And that's how you can get to the originality report. So let me know if you have any questions. It looks like you just need to paraphrase better, like put things into your own words better. We're going to talk about paraphrasing too later. And there was, I think last week, there was a PowerPoint to sort of with instructions on how to paraphrase well. So you could check that out too.